Hey folks, welcome back to Wray's Garage. Today we have a quick and easy project. Yes, I have an obsession right now with the breathing. And this is a cabin filter, air cabin filter. Should be changed every 10,000 miles, they say. More in a dusty climate. Look outside. Yep, live in the desert, dusty climate. Let's get this boy banged in. Should be quick and dirty, and I know you can do this. So there's three main parts you got to get removed in order to get access to the air cabin filter, which lives under here on the passenger side of the car. You got to get the battery cover removed, this little trim piece, which slides down the right in the front, and this little guy sitting on top. So without further ado. So once you've got those three elements off, you've just got this very loose flap and some Torx screws there holding in the filter, which I think has a little clippy on the right side as well. I'm not sure if I'm getting you into flight there, but you should be able to see that from there. So let me grab the Torx pieces and tell you which size it is. So turns out this is T30 Torx, holding these brackets down. So let's pop these bad boys out of here. Of course, on a bit of an angle there. Push that down. Comes out of the way easy enough. Okay, here's your bracket. Screws. And let's get in here, get this filter out. Clutch was nothing to contend with. Sitting in a very flimsy-ish housing here. But yeah, I'm gonna say, high time for a change. So as you can see here, side by side, old and new. Old one, plenty gunked up. New one, charcoal filter, just helps with the filtration. Looks to be identical. So I think we're in a good spot. Also get these handy dandy instructions that tell you it'll take 12 minutes. So I'm sure I'll make a 20-minute video for you to enjoy. You know me. All right, anything good in here? Wacka wacka, nothing we didn't know already. Let's jam it back in. So the unit here is pretty symmetrical. You've just got to get it seated in the tray. Of course, everything's always easier said than done with these things, but seated in there front and back. Resource this little top clip. And replace the bracket here. As always, big fan of overkill. Oh, dropped the one in there. Thankfully, there's a hole that screw is about to fall down. And a leaf, believe it or not, is what stopped it. Oh, that second one. Oh my gosh. Having a good old time here. Let's see if I can get any of these back. Oh, 3 down. On fire, D-Ray. Oh, it's not a magnetic tip either. Alright, let's try this again. The problem was not magnetic drill bit. The problem was not magnetic screws, so. And I don't know if that's even 12 minutes. Not bad at all. All right, that air filter is seated back in the home. clips. You see them back in here. Pop that in, no problem. Then we've got this little side doohickey which inserts into the front down here and then just attaches in up on its Velcro and then slides in here at the top. Nice and comfortably. Thank you, Riley. Clips here. Just shoot those into the receivers over there. Turn these down. That's it. So there you have it, folks. Pretty quick and easy job. Even the girls could help do it. And yeah, now we'll be breathing fresh air in the car. Stay tuned. Tomorrow is Big Dyno Day. And we're gonna get this car tuned up. And we're gonna see what the numbers are it's putting out after its 269, 270 horsepower performance at a baseline. Now we've got a plenum throttle body, new exhaust, and a whole lot of hope with a little bit of Cub tuning. So stay tuned, that'll be out soon. Thanks for checking in. We'll catch you later.